Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys contact number unblock setting. How to unblock contact number in Infinix mobile. Friends, you have blocked any contact number, and if by mistake you have blocked contact number and you want to check block list numbers, so how to check number and how to unblock contact number in Infinix phone one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone call setting. After your phone dialer setting, this type interface friends you can see on your device. So friends, click here three dot, click here friends setting. After on setting friends you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. Friends, you can see call recording setting is here, display option, quick response setting. So friends, click here blocked number. After friends block number setting, friends you can see block list number setting, blocked call setting, friends you can see blocked SMS, friends you can check from here. So friends, we will click here block list setting, and friends you can see friends I have phone number on my block list. Friends, we want to remove number from block list. Friends, we want to unblock contact number, you can unblock from here. And friends, you can see blocked calls. Friends, you have blocked any call, so you can unblock from here. Friends, you can see there is no any block call, blocked call. Block SMS, friends, you want to check your block SMS, so you can check, you can unblock from here. So friends, one by one we can remove number from block list, we can unblock contact number. Click here remove option, click here remove option. Friends, I have phone number, and friends I will remove all number from my block list. Come back. Friends, you can check this number. Friends, I can call, I can send text message, I can start video call. So like that friends, we can unblock contact number in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.